Hi guys, this is Romina here from the GeoVision team, and today I'm gonna make some changes on this model inside Revit and send those changes in real time to the GeoVision system using the GeoVision Revit plugin. What I'll be doing is changing the texture to brick, and as you can see, it kind of looks like a gingerbread house with yellow and white frostings, but this is only for educational purposes, so I wish you bear with me, and let's go. So what you have to do first is download and install the GeoVision Revit plugin, and then open your model inside Revit and choose the plugin from the toolbar. Sign into your GeoVision account, and if you already have one, you'll be automatically logged in. Click Publish. Just a quick explanation on how the organizing hierarchy goes inside GeoVision Cloud is that your projects can have multiple models and your models can have multiple versions. Versions are each iteration that you make to a model. So I'm going to name my project 01 and my model 01 for the purpose of this video. And I'm going to send my model entirely to the cloud, so I'll select all the elements and click Publish. After a little while, it's going to be published to the cloud, and if I click View, I can see it inside the web app. You can see all the elements are there, but the texture is not. So what you can do is open the GeoVision desktop app. That's where all the PBR textures and lightings are kept intact. That's my project 01, which is created in Model 01, the first version. I'm just waiting for the objects to be loaded and converted. And there you go. That's your model intact with the PBR textures. So what I'm going to do now is change something inside Revit and show you how those changes apply inside the GeoVision server too. I'll click Manage and Materials, and from there, I want to change this gray brick texture to some kind of a red brick texture. Select and apply. So the texture is changed inside Revit. Now I'm going to upload and sync my model to the cloud again. Send and publish. And after a little while, it's done. I can view it inside the web app now. So as you can see, the GeoVision web app doesn't really support the PBR texture, so the base color is there, but not the texture itself. So I'm going to have to open the desktop app. You can see now the number of my versions are 2, and it will automatically show you the latest version. There it is. Let me zoom in on it for you so you can see the texture intact here. Feel free to drop any questions you might have, and I'll give you the link for the plugin down below. See you later.